2019 to 2024 Chevy Silverado USB port replacement. What's up, everybody? I am in a 2019 Chevy Silverado, and I'm going to be replacing this USB module right here. It also has the SD card reader and the USB-C. You need a plastic pry bar interior tool so you don't scratch your interior. If you use a flathead like this, you can do it, but you're going to scratch up your interior. And then also I'm going to link an extra hard interior tool if you want to have like a really durable one. It's like 10 bucks. Anyway, so you want to take your tool and go on the left side and get in between the USB module and the dash. And then once you get this in between, push it in and twist it. It'll kind of pop it out on the side. Once you have it out on the side, what I do is I kind of put my finger there to hold it so it doesn't fall back in, and then I'll work my way around with the pry bar tool, and then it'll pop out. The left and the right side is where the retainers are. Now it has two connectors. Here it is. You can pull the wire harness out a little bit. The red one, the red connector has to pop, the red lock has to pop out first, and then you could push the center button to get it out. And then this has a button in the center. You squeeze it, and then you just kind of wiggle and pull it backwards. That one's a little stubborn, but basically here it is. We already got it out. The module should have a part number sticker on the side of it. Here's the part number for this one. This actually has like 3 different part numbers, but it is on Amazon. I will link it below. It's actually pretty inexpensive, and it seems like the same brand. So when you get your new one, just unbox it and then plug it in. Just put the gray connector in. Be patient with that one because there's like a connector within a connector, and then you put your black one in. Push the black part in all the way in, and then hit the red lock down. The red part goes last. So once you have those plugged in, just kind of feed the wires back into the dash and then push this guy into place. Make sure you have the proper orientation, and then you're good to go. You don't need to do any radio reprogramming or nothing. You're all done. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make, and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.
Pretty good.